Hey guys, welcome back to another video on How Logical. In this video, I will show you how to get logged into your NetSpend Skylight account. If this is something that you are interested in, then make sure to follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any future upcoming videos from our channel. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, open up any web browser on a PC. Now search for netspendskylight.com and press enter on a keyboard. And once you do that, you will be directly taken to NetSpend Skylight login page. Now, in order to get logged into your NetSpend Skylight, you have to type in your username and password correctly. Now, if in case you have either forgotten your username or password, you can recover it by tapping on Forget Your Username or Password link. And if you want your username to be remembered by the system, you can tap on this square box which says Remember Username. But if you're using others or public device, then make sure to uncheck this button or leave as it is. Now once you're done with typing in your account details, tap on Login button. Now that's all it takes to get logged into your NetSpend Skylight account. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. I will be back with more videos like this. Keep watching.